What the fuck?
Shut the hell up, you go slow-mo. Oh, look at your eyes. Fucking shit on the... Look at my Barry on a Saturday night. I need to be nerfed in the whoopee. What the...
Welcome back, guys. I've had a few attempts at this. GoPro got hot. Had some steering issues with the Capra. I don't know if it's the GT5 receiver. The same one's had steering issues with the G code. But today's video, we're going to test out a 3D printed flat skid for the Capra. That's it there. You can see it takes a lot of belly off the car itself. So we're going to test that out, sort of like a performance gain slash if there's a conduit or if it's just all good. I know it does raise the motor up in the car, so that may be an issue. And my steering's being weird again. I don't even know how long it's been since I've driven this this line. I'm just going to make this a quick video just because I don't think we're actually going to get much steering out of this car for too long. And that took a couple seconds to actually get full lock out of it. Oops. That's pretty good. Usually we get pretty well caught up on that. These two faces here coming up. Oh, don't know, we've got a shot on it. Yep, there. Usually we get caught up on those two. I'll give you a bit of a on the ground look at it. So if you know Capras, usually that sits about 10 mil lower. So it's got the both sides on actual plastic there, and then the skid usually continues down to around about where my finger is, so you can imagine how much of a gain that actually is. How tough this skid is, that's another question. I did drop it onto right there, you can see that, and it didn't crack or anything, it just sort of put a little dent and scratched the filament, so that's pretty good. It did print a bit weird. I don't know if it was the way, like this bit's smooth, like it was touching the bed, and then this was sort of like it was floating. So it's come up weird textured. We'll go try a couple other lines. I was at another spot trying to get some footage there, but that's where I was having a lot of trouble, so I came over here just to reminisce on the hard line. I'll go find, actually, this one right here is probably another good example. Alright, I don't know where that just stopped. I'm having a shocker for the Capra. It's just a sign to sell my 110s and just buy more 124s. But you're going to run up this line quickly and then probably end the video there. Probably only be a 10-minute video just to show if it's worth printing a 3D skid. Try and get it all as close as I can. Can't really get an angle of it, but I don't know if that was a great line. Alright, I'm gonna call it there. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go find us, but I'm gonna change the battery in the GoPro. For some reason it just turned off. There is another one in my bag. I think it's like 30%, 40%. This one's at 20. So I'll go change that, and we might go find, maybe we can go Capra Hill. We'll go try Capra Hill and see how that goes. Alright, we're at Capra Hill. The challenge for this one. There's a lot of water here today, so hopefully we don't have a reenactment. I'm traumatised from that. If you don't know, I dropped the Capra from there. It slid off here and it went in that deep spot right there. Every time. And come back up that and see if we can't get in the right spot. Steering's letting go again. GoPro just cut off again. Might be time for me to spend a bit of money on everything. Alright guys, it cut off again then, and I lost the front drive shaft, so I am calling it there. I'm done with it. Thanks for watching guys. Hopefully I'll have this remote sorted for next time. Might just buy a new transmitter, and hopefully that fixes the problem with the cheat code and this one, because they both run the same controller. So does the VRD Carbon, so I haven't used that for a while either. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.